Hello students, our today's topic is based on the most commonly used source of energy in our house, that is electricity. Before that, we will discuss insulators and conductors, or we can say metals and non-metals. Metals and non-metals. Metals, or we can say them, they are the conductors. And non-metals, or we can say them, insulators. Metals have free electrons, whereas non-metals does not have free electrons. Why metals have free electrons? If we will see the electronic configuration of metal, we will find that metals have less than 4 valence electrons, and whereas in non-metals have more than 5 valence electrons. That is the number of electrons in their outermost orbit. That is why non-metals always gains electrons and metals always loses electrons. Because the electron present in the outermost orbit of metal are loosely bounded, and that's why metals have free electrons. That are electrons which are free to move. That means if I will take a piece of metal, definitely I will get some free electrons. But in a piece of non-metal or insulator, I will not found any free electrons. As you can see, electrons are negatively charged particles. If they will flow, then we can say that charge is flowing. And the flow of charge is known as electric current. So we can say that electric current, flow of charge. If I will take a piece of wire, then definitely it will be a conductor. That means it will contain free electrons. And if all these free electrons are moving in a particular direction, then they will cross this area, which is known as area of cross section. And to fill their place and keep the flow continuous, we can provide some more free electrons then definitely this flow will be continuous. And the number of electrons passing through this area of cross section will give the strength of that current. So now we can define the electric current as it is the rate of flow of electric charge that is electric current, the charge flowing through the area of cross section, which is given by Q, time T. Current is measured in amperes, that is SI unit of Electric current is ampere, which is denoted by capital A. That's all for today's session. In the next class, we will discuss electric current and circuit diagram.